Okay, guys, what's going on? Talk to me. How's the projects going? I've seen you guys are turning your projects. Some of you guys are turning your projects. Some of you guys, what's going on? Mr. Jeff is
I'm the tortoise in this group, so I've been very clear about that. Anyways, I have a job offer pending, Jason, so we'll talk about that later.
Oh, you have a job offer? Okay, yeah. That's good.
Yes, and Sasena, have you heard from her?
I invited her. I didn't. She's not here yet, though. Why? What's going on with her?
No, I think she's had COVID, and remember she had to lay her brother to rest. So I called to check on her.
Yeah, that she sent me. That's correct.
The grieving process will take some time, but I'm gonna do my own little best to see to it that she gets it, and if I can help her, if she's open to it, I'll run with her. But I run slow. Gotcha. I'm in grad school as well, so you know how that goes.
Oh, you're in grad school?
Yeah, I'm finishing my master's in systems engineering.
And you're finishing your master's in what?
Systems engineering.
Oh wow, you have a lot on your plate, Allison.
I want to finish school before I have more babies, because I have a 3-year-old and that's a full-time job.
Wow. Yeah, you have a heavy plate. Heavy plate. We have like 3 more people. We have 3 more people in the group. They should be joining us today. I'm not sure. Let me text them real quick. They should be. But anyway, they're on the group. So I've sent a group chat to everybody. So everybody should.
I'm trying to get my husband to talk to you so y'all can knock heads.
Okay.
He is, I'm like, I can't take the stress because he has his crypto group. We'll talk about that off air, but yeah. The African men are very stubborn.
It is well.
Hey, Pumpkin. It is well.
It is well. We'll talk later.
Yeah.
Anytime he wants to talk, I'm definitely game. Let's hear what he has to share with me.
Okay.
Let's hear what he has to say.
But listen, remember us little fish when you hit the millions, okay?
Don't worry.
Christmas is coming, so Christmas bonuses for those who turn in their projects.
Exactly.
Yeah.
All right. Miss Monica, what's going on?
Jeffrey, how are you doing?
I'm well. How are you?
I'm good. I appreciate what you're doing on the chat.
Oh man, don't worry, you know.
Don't mind Jason. He's just like type A per. Don't mind Jason. Yeah.
All right, guys, talk to me. How you guys doing on your projects? Mr. Jeff, I saw you turning your project. Good work.
Now you said good work. Now later on, now you're gonna be like, oh, you didn't do this.
No, I see that you turned it in. I looked at your project file. You missed a few questions, but you did turn it in. Yes, you turned it in.
Okay.
Yes, you turned it in. Yes.
But I have a major problem though.
What's the major problem? Tell me.
All right. I was for some reason I can't log into my database. When I do SQL Plus and DBA, I get into I think I messed up the
audit trail.
The audit trail.
Listen, guys. I'll tell you this right now. Let me share my screen. Can you see my screen, everybody?
Yes.
Okay. Guys, the audit trail is very important. If you mess that up, I mean, it's a big deal. You definitely don't want to mess that up at work. You understand?
Right.
What is the audit trail? What is the audit trail? The audit trail is simply this, right? Listen. See, when you log into the database, right? And you do certain commands in the database, right? There are certain commands that are logged automatically, whether you like it or not.
Right.
For instance, if you do alter system, if you do create index, if you do alter index, if you do, let's say, stuff like stuff with your profile, stuff like that, right? There's some like alter database, stuff like that. automatically, whether you like it or not, I'll say it again, whether you like it or not, these commands are going to be audited, period, end of story. Right? So imagine all the users in the database logging into the database, doing one kind of command whatsoever, right? Right? Now, there are some sensitive commands, very legal, the things that you guys have been doing that you don't even know, right? That whether you like it or not, are going to be audited. And they are going to be put inside the location where your audit trail is located. So watch this. So when I come over here and I do show parameter.
So when I do that, it tells me not logged in.
See, when I do this, watch this. When I do, hold on one second. Okay, do you see this A dump location? You see this? Your A dump location. So what I'm thinking is you changed this, didn't you?
Yes, I think I took this to the OS instead of I should have left it on the database. So it's in the OS. So I'm trying to move it from the OS to the database.
No, that's fine. If you did it on the OS, that's fine. So if you do exit, so if I do CD, and if I come over here,
I tried that, it didn't work.
It's located, it's there. So it should not be a problem for you logged in. Now, watch this. Now, if you changed it, this is the issue.
I changed it, yes.
You see that? Now, if you change it to something, you now change this to OS. But then whatever you change,
yes, I changed it to OS.
You change to OS, fine. But then whatever you change this location to is not located on the OS. Then you will not be allowed to what? Log into the database, because the database said, no, I must audit. I'm trying to protect you. I'm trying to audit to make sure that everybody is doing what they're supposed to do. But you have now changed it to, let's say, okay, you changed it to what? /home/oracle/Jeff. But now when it goes to here and it says, oh, sorry. But then when it goes to here, okay, so when it goes to exits, okay, so when it goes to ls pwd, right? So you see your /homes at Oracle, but when you do ls and it's looking for Jeff, there's no Jeff there, so it won't allow you to even log in.
No. What it does is, right, I will log into the SQL, no problem. It will tell me, it will say connected to idle instance. I see SQL on prompt.
Okay.
But when I try to do, for example, I say describe HR.employee, it says not connected.
I understand. It's because there's something wrong with that. Connected to an idle instance doesn't mean anything. It just means, okay, you're able to connect to SQL.
New work, yeah.
But that database that you're trying to connect to, it won't allow you to.
Exactly.
Because it can't find that audit location.
Yes.
So it's a very, very simple fix, bro. So where exactly did you put your audit file records to?
Because what I did was, I think because when I watch you on the
you know what? No problem. It's fine. Yeah. I don't even have to. No worries. You can get your SQL prompt, right? When you do SQL Plus, then you get connected to an idle instance, right?
Yes.
Okay. Before you do that, what I want you to do is later on, right? Make sure that in your bash profile, so when you cut the bash, or in fact, just go to export, just do export Oracle SID, like I showed you before. Then make sure your database is first pointing to the right database. It's pointing to ORC, all right?
I did that export too, because
you did export too, right? Okay, that's right. So you've done this one, and you know that, okay, for sure, you're connecting to the right database, right? Then, okay, then what you do then is, okay, then just when you come here like this, the next thing that you have to do is just what? Create P file from SP file.
And guess what? It tell me not logged in.
It says what?
It will tell me not logged in. I tried many things.
It says Not logged in.
Yes, like I said, I will log into the SQL prompt, but when I try to start like query or do something on the database, it tells me not logged in, can't find the audit trail file. There are Linux.
Exactly. So what you're going to do is you're going to start up your database with your P file. You had the P file before, right?
I had the P file, yes.
Then start up your database with your P file. So watch this, watch this, watch this. So watch this. So if I do this, CD, I go to my Oracle home, /DBS, okay, LS. You see that? So I have what? I have this guy right here. You understand that? My init ORCL. This is my SP file. Sorry, this is my SP file. I can remove this guy right here. Remove this guy. I don't need this one. Okay. This is okay. So where? LS. Okay. So you have this one, SP file, ORCL, the Aura, right? But then you have this one. Init. You should have your P file. Always, guys, always keep a backup of your SP file because things could happen. It's so easy. So this guy right here, init ORCL, right? The Aura, right? So then what you need to do now is this, right? So if you cut, so what is? If I do VI, what is init? Okay, now watch this. Where is it? Okay, you see this? The audit trail. You see this right? You see this right here, right? You see this right here, right? You see this audit trail here.
File destination.
You see it here.
Right. I see it.
Okay. Now, what you want to do now is, if I were you, I would change my audit file. You said you have it to OS. That's fine. Have it to OS. You can just leave it like this. You can leave it like this, right? So if you have your P file should be pointing to this. /home/app/oracle/admin/orcl/a-dump. That's the key thing, a-dump directly. Or you can,
I did that. It didn't work.
Listen, or you can change this to whatever you want. You can change this to /home/oracle. You change this to, okay, audit file desk /home/oracle, right? That's fine. Then put it in single quotes, no problem. Then put this to OS right here, no problem. Save the file. So let's say you've done that. You save the file, right? You save the file, then you simply do what? Right? You enter this command. Start up what? What's the command? Oh, can you tell me what's the command?
Start up mount.
No. After the database is okay. Okay, let's do this. Shut
down immediate.
Okay, so let's shut down our database. Let's assume that let's mimic what you're saying. Okay, so now I exit. Okay, then I do what? SQL plus. From what we'll do what? Start up what? P file equals what? Quote $. Oracle _home /what? DBS /init orcl.ora, right? So what you are doing now is you are bypassing the SP file and you are starting the what? P file. Now, what I'm suspecting is you don't have a P file.
I think that's what it is because I don't have a P file because the database can't read P file or SP file. That's why it tells me not logged in.
Okay. Oh no. Now, if you don't have a P file, nothing you can do. And I know you don't have backup because you haven't got to the backup yet.
No.
Oh no, there's nothing you can do. You just have to recreate that database. There's nothing. You understand what I'm saying? Right? So if I do something like, watch this, if I do, watch this, because the key thing is this, right? That database must log. I don't care who you are, the database must log. So if I do alter system sets, okay, blah, 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 that thing is being logged. If I do alter database, that is being logged. If I do create index, that is being logged, right? If I do what? Create or replace index, that is being logged. So all these things that other users do is being logged. So that is why that audit trail, watch this, show parameter, watch this, audit. You see this a dump directory, you see this guy. So let's go here. Post CD. Oh, let me exit. So CD, I'm going to paste this guy. Oh, you see this? You see how big and full this guy is?
Right. That's the audit.
Yeah. So you see, I'm still going up.
But I thought Linux admins empty these audits.
They do empty it, but I'm just showing you how significant and how that this thing audits every second. So the Linux admin guys, they already have a script that this directory is going to be emptied, right? This a dump, this if I do pwd, this a dump directory right here, this guy right here, this a dump directory, right?
Yeah.
Must be what? Cleared every other day, if not every day, or else, listen to me guys, or else. This, the Linux guy, you talk to him and tell him, hey, just create a script that every 24 hours that this directory is cleared, right? It's emptied. All these all these records are cleared. As a matter of fact, if I do this, cat this guy. So, you see all this information? You see action, startup, privilege, sysdba, user, this. You see this? Host. You see all this information is being stored. In fact, if I do VI, let's go to this guy. Look at all this information. You see? But imagine if you had hundreds of users doing this stuff, hundreds of users, right? You see, action, connect. That's something that's going to be logged. Who did it? The sys. Privilege, sys up. Which client user? What's his username? Oracle. You see this? What's the DB ID for the database? The session ID. Can you guys hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you, yes.
Okay. So all these, you guys can see, right? Okay, very good. So all these different things are being what? Audited, right? So if this a dump directory becomes what? Too full, guess what's going to happen? The database will hang.
The database will hang, yeah.
If the database will hang, if this directory right here becomes too full, I'll say it again. If it becomes too full, meaning there's not enough space on the server,
right?
And this a dump gets too full, your database will hang.
So it's like leaving your trash and not taking your trash out.
Yes, meaning as people are working, right? As people are inside the database itself will hang. You know what it means for database to hang? Oh my God. That just automatically means, guess what? You are just getting automatic phone calls. automatic phone calls. I mean, your phone call email just start blowing up. You say, what's going on? They say, we can't do anything inside the database anymore. All of a sudden, blah, 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 blah. Okay, this is probably the reason. Your AWS directory is probably full. You understand? Now, your issue, Mr. Jeff, is the fact that, number one, your main issue is you don't have a P file. If you had a P file, then you could have started your database with your P file, bypassing your SP file.
But why does it let me log into SQL and tell me that, oh yeah, okay, I've logged into?
No, it will allow you at least that's good. It will allow you, so at least that way you don't even have SP. Okay, wait. Do you have your SP file?
Yeah, because when I logged in,
do you have your SP file?
Yes, I know. I'm sure I have one. At least I have an SP file because when I do,
wait. When you do create SP file from P file, have you tried that? Sorry, create P file from SP file.
Okay, let me log in now and say and type it.
That will work. So long as you can access SQL Plus, that will work. Now, once you have created your P file from SP file, right? Cut your P file. Just when I do this, SQL Plus /as CCBA, select open mode from $. Actually, select open mode from $. What database? All right, so read that. Okay, very good. So now, once I do what? Create P file. So long as I can get SQL, if I can get a session, oh, you're fine. Then just do create P file from SP file. Done. Once you have done that, right? Then just type startup. Oh, no, you can't do that. Oh.
I can't do that. That's what I can't.
Oh, that's fine. Okay, no problem. No problem. So once you have done this and it says file created, okay, beautiful. Then 90% of your worries in life is finished, right? All you then have to do is just go back to your Oracle home /DBS ls, right? Then catch this guy, or VI, right? VI init this guy. You see that? Now you change this guy here. That is where the issue is. This is where the issue is. This is where the issue is. This guy right here. This guy right here. Now, on your system, Mr. Jeff, what I want you to do is, you see this guy here, /app/oracle/admin/orc/adom.
Seriously, I'm gonna tell you the truth. I went online, I see all these things, I did it. It keeps telling me I couldn't create on my.
I am telling you what to do. Listen to me.
Okay.
This guy right here, this guy here, this guy. Go on your system, CD to it, and make sure it exists. That ADOM directory or wherever you are trying to do must exist first.
That's what I'm saying. It couldn't exist. When I do CD to this guy, they couldn't even log in. It couldn't even CD me into this.
No, that's not possible. I said do it on your OS.
Okay, like on the Linux prompt.
Yes, do it on your OS.
Which I did. That's what I'm trying to tell you. I swear, I was working on this. I just gave myself, you know what?
Go to CD / put in this thing right here. Put this address here. This is the default location for your ADOM. Show me that it is there.
Okay, I'm starting up my system now because it says when I turn it off, I'm starting up so that it can let me go into SQL. You know.
No, you don't have to go into SQL right now.
No, I'm not going to SQL. I'm just when the Linux prompt comes up, then I'm going to CD into this file like you said now, and I will show you. You know, I'm gonna take a picture of it and send it to you on the group app so you can see exactly what it. Because I went online, I saw this.
Listen to me. Another thing you could do is just simply this, right? When you create your P file from SP file, just change this to a directory that listen. The point this is the point. The point I'm trying to make is this, right? whatever location your audit file desk is, so long as you change this to OS, this guy, whatever it is on your system, must exist on your server. So if you change this to /app, look, this is the gist of this thing. Watch this. It's not hard. It's not hard at all. In order for your database to function, the number one thing that Oracle does is it tries to protect you by logging sensitive and important actions that are done by users in the database. Period. End of story. If it cannot log, it won't allow you to work. Does everybody understand that?
Right.
I'll say it again. If it can't log, it won't allow you to work. Either it won't allow you to log in, or as you are in, right? If it becomes too full, that location becomes too full, it won't allow you to work. So bottom line is, this audit file desk is sensitive. So long as this, you change this to OS. And as a matter of fact, right? Let me tell you guys one thing. At work, this absolutely is going to be changed to OS. Absolutely. In fact, that's one of the main things that are changed first by DBA. This guy has to be changed to OS because your database will hang, because the database is not that big. It can't handle it's being stuck on DB. No way. You got to put this on the server. All that login must be on the server. So this is why you change this to OS. Now, once you change this to OS, whatever you put here must exist where? Must exist here on the operating system. It gotta exist here, gotta exist here, gotta exist here. It must. So one thing we know is that this is what? /home/Oracle will always exist, no matter what. So what I'm telling you, Mr. Jeff, is this, right? When you log in and you're able to get SQL Plus and you do create P file from SP file, VI into your init ORCL, VI into your init ORCL.ora, then you can just change this guy. Then, okay, so when you create your P file from SP file, you know what's going to happen? This is going to show you, watch this. Are you listening? Are you watching this, Mr. Jeff?
I'm listening.
What this is going to show you is what did you put here? It will show you, okay, this is what you put there. Then your second option is, okay, no problem. Let's say you did /home/Oracle/Jeff. No problem. Then all you have to do is just do what? Make directory Jeff. Simple. Your problem is solved. So now when I do ls, you see Jeff here? So now when I do CD, Jeff. Okay, now do PWD. Okay, so so now, /home/Oracle/Jeff.
Right.
Exists now.
Okay.
Okay, so now when you come over here, okay, you have it as OS. Then you now have this /home/Oracle/Jeff. Okay, no problem. Just do startup, your database will start. That's it. That's all you got to do.
Okay.
That's it. All it is telling you is this, brother, I cannot log. I don't know where you didn't create I don't know /home/Oracle/Jeff. I don't see it anywhere on the OS. I don't see it. Right? So just create it. Once you have created it, then just do startup. Just do startup.
Okay.
Right? But this time, no. Oh, sorry. Oh, this is your next thing. This is your next thing. You can't just do, once you're here, you can't do, you see connected on an idle instance. Okay. Once you're here, you can't just do startup. Why? Because if you try to do startup, guess what? It is going to try to read what? Your SP file again.
Yeah. That's the problem I keep having.
Yeah, so what do you do? It's very, very simple. Very, very simple. You just simply do what? Host, move, Oracle home /DBS / what? SP file. orcl.aura to what? SB file, orcl.sb file, orcl.oraka. Just change it. Look, I'm going to press enter. Now watch this. So now if I exit, okay, so now if I do ls, look at it now. You see that SP file, I have now considered it what? Bad. So I renamed it because I can't use that SP file again. I just can't. That SP file, I can't use it anymore. It's no good. So guess what? Once I rename my SP file to, I just put an extra A there. So now it no longer sees my SP file as something valid. Now it's going to look for my what? P file. Oh, so once it now sees your P file, then what is it going to do? Then it is going to do what? It is going to go into your P file and look at this audit file desk what location. Then it's going to see what? /home/oracle/Jeff or wherever you put it. Then it's going to say, oh, this is where they want me to log. Let's go to the OS real quick. And it does all this in milliseconds, by the way, guys. Then it's going to go here. Oh, I do see /home/oracle/Dev. Good. Let's log in. That's it. That's all you got to do.
Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I think your issue was after you changed it, or I don't know if you had a P file, number one. And then number two, after you change it, you cannot do startup again. No, you have to do what? You have to either what? If you go back up here, look. Oh, no, I can't use that. Okay. What was I going to say? Oh, where are we at? So you have one of two options, right? You have one of two options. You can either what? Change okay, sorry. When you do startup, right? You have one of two options, right? You can either do startup, going back up here. I can either do startup, okay, P file equals, okay, quotes, $Oracle home, blah, 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 right? Oracle home, and so on and so forth. Or, if I don't want to do all that, then my only other objective, or my only other option is to go to what? Go to my Oracle home first. Go to my Oracle home /DBS, ls, right? Change this guy, change this SP file, or delete it. Either way, either remove it or just delete it by using the move command. So MV, this guy, it will be like this to this guy. Then I just change it to what? Put an extra A there. I press enter, right? Then when I come back over here and I go to what? Then I do SQL Plus /assist DBA, then I can just do what? Start up. Then it is already around, that's fine. But when you do start up, it's going to automatically what? Bypass the SP file, and then it's going to look for what? Your what? P file, which has the good stuff in there. With the new location and everything, I know it works. Then once your database has finally opened, then you do what? Create what? SP file from what? P file. Now when I come back over here, clear, ls. Now you guys can see what? Your SP file is back. That's it. That's all you got to do. Okay. That's it. No big deal. But you got to know these things. I know you. I know you went to. Let me. Where you guys? Okay. I know you guys went. I know you went to that stuff. To what's it called? You went on Google, right? Oh,
yeah, I was seeing a whole bunch of stuff. So I was like,
God, let me
right? I said, let me start before I crash this system, man. I don't want to.
They punished you well. They punished you very well. Wow. You see, guys, this is why these Thursday classes are very important. So that I can show you guys little things that will make you go quick. Right? So, but it's good that you Google. That's fine. Google is part of the game. Right? You got to know how to do this Google stuff very well. But Jeff,
yeah,
like after this, go back and rewatch this video. Very, very important.
Okay.
Very, very important. Go back on YouTube and watch this video.
But I just did what you, okay, I connected to the ideal instance. I did create SP file from P file. It told me file created. Right
No,
now.
why are you creating SP file from P file? Tell me why.
No, create P file from SP file, right?
Yes.
Okay.
So once the point of you creating your P file from SP file is so that you can see it.
Exactly.
You want to be able to open your P file so that you can open it up, right? And so that you can see exactly what is in there. Okay, what did I change my audit file desk to? That's what you want to know.
Yeah, but when I did create P file from SP file, it told me file created.
Okay,
But
then go there. Then go to your Oracle Home/DBS and open it up. Yeah, that's just the first step. Okay, very good. Okay, you created it, that's fine. Then you have to go to your Oracle Home DBS, right? And then you have to open up your what? You have to open up your P file. Because the point is you gotta fix this thing. So just imagine that there are users who are behind you waiting for the database. Guy, this is not a laughing matter at all. Are you kidding me?
I can see the screen. So you say Oracle /home/ I don't know.
What? No. You are going to where? You're going to your Oracle Home/DBS, your SP file location. Remember project 5? See, CD dot, look, do this CD dot Oracle, capital letters, Oracle Home / what? DBS.
So I'm gonna have to exit back to the OS.
Of course, or open up another tab. Just open up another tab. Yeah.
Another time, open up a tab. Okay. Then I'll do the CD space Oracle. Let's go home /DBS. Okay. I'm in it. Hello, sir.
Yeah, I'm here.
Yeah, I'm in it. I'm in.
Okay.
Yeah,
so what are you seeing?
I'm seeing DBS. I mean,
okay, then just do what? Now, what are you going to do next? What are you supposed to do next?
Then I'm going to do LS and list it.
Okay.
LS. Okay, now.
Do you see this guy right here?
Init Oracle.Oracle. Yes, I say copy and paste it, right?
No, VI, then paste it. And then press enter. You got to open it up. We got to open it up to see what did you do.
No, I'm seeing init.Oracle right now. So you say VI, I'm gonna have to VI in VI.
No. I didn't say, did you see init.Oracle? No. Did you see init orcl.Oracle? Did you see that?
Hold on one. Okay. Yes, I saw that right there underneath of the init.Oracle. I didn't see init orcl.Oracle.
No. Not this. Do you see this guy?
Yeah, it's right there. Mine is different from you. Mine is underneath init orcl.Oracle.
Okay, that's fine.
Yeah.
VI, open it up. VI space.
I'm gonna copy it and then VI into it.
Yes, do that.
VI.
Yes.
Paste it. Okay. Okay, now I see everything right now.
You see everything? Okay.
Now scroll down.
Scroll down until you all the way till you see this guy right here. Do you see that?
Yes, I see it. Audit _file _desk equals to, yeah.
What did you put? What did you put?
Huh?
What did you put there? What is here?
Admin.
What is here for you?
Nothing. It's just something. App /Oracle /admin /Oracle ORCL /ADOM.
What did you put here?
And
What's
DB
here?
underneath the database. That's it.
What's here?
DB. Mine is DB database.
Okay, yours is DB.
Audit underscore trail equals to single quote DB.
DB, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Now, all right. Let me see. Yeah, you should be fine. So now, okay.
So why is it not letting me in if I'm fine? Because I haven't altered anything.
But you didn't see, wait, you okay. Okay, so go back into your OS and then start up your database or rename your SP file and then start up your database with your P file. Or just to start up.
So I have to save and quit and quit.
So I need to know exactly what the error is because I know that you did something with your audit trail.
I know I did something. I know I messed up something, but the point is I didn't know exactly what I did because now I'm looking at it. I'm like, oh, okay. My everything is the same. My audit file underscore desk equals to the same thing like you have. My audit underscore trail equals to DB, same thing. I was looking at it like, what did I do wrong here? Everything is just intact, just like yours.
All right. Now, my question to you now, since you did your project 5, right? My question to you now is this. If there are any errors in your database, right?
Right.
Where do you go to see what the issue is?
You mean the area that you go to see where the issue is?
What file?
You go to the P file or the P file or SP file.
Somebody said something. Who said something just now? The other person who said something. Allison, what did you say?
The log files.
Which one?
The data log file, is that what you're saying?
Absolutely not. No. If there is that, oh, are you kidding me? Are you kidding? Oh, so you didn't even check this file. Listen, if there is any issue with your database, the first place that you must check is your what? Alert log file.
Log file.
This was
That's
all
what I
over
said, your log files.
You said what?
That's what I said, your log files.
What kind of log file is that?
Not the audit file.
You said that
there's the different files. They have alert log file.
There's a redo log file. There's archive log file. Which log file are you talking about?
She's just guessing this file. Let's keep going.
I'm talking about the right log files.
Oh, the right log file. Okay, no problem.
She's just guessing.
So,
but at least I knew it was a log file.
So watch this, guys. So watch this.
It wasn't the P file, Jeffrey.
Right. Watch this, right? So, Mr. Jeff, watch this. Sir. You did not check your alert log file, first of all, to even know what the issue is. Oh, I thought you had done all this. See, the alert log file would have told you since, okay, this is the issue I'm having. Watch this. Look. To see your alert log file, you simply do what? Show parameter background underscore dump underscore dest. You see this guy right here? This is a location for your what? Alert log file. Oracle home /rdbms/log. Now watch this. Let's go here. Let's go there. Look at it. Oh, lazy student. You see that? Look at it. See, clear, CD, watch this, what this? Okay, home, let me come here. See, guys, make sure you re-watch this video, especially you, Mr. Jeff. Now watch this, when I do LS, you're gonna see a bunch of stuff. Okay, where is, no, it's not even here, sir. CD, LS. Let me go to, as a matter of fact, let me come here. select star from v dollar diag underscore info. Let me come here. Trace. This guy. CD. Not that one. Sorry. This the guy. CD. That's. Is that? Okay, now what's this? Oh, I gotta scroll all the way up. Watch this. It's always the first file. It's always the very, very first one. Okay, you see? Alerts underscore log. But guys, do you see how when I went to what? Background on desk, it sent me somewhere else. Look, show parameter background, right? When's it gonna take me somewhere else? Nonsense, right? So if they ask for an interview, right? What's the location for your alert log file? You can either tell them background dump desk from 11G, yours will be there. Or I always like to tell them select star from v dollar diag underscore info. Select star from v dollar diag underscore info. And what you are looking for is the first one. This guy right here. This guy, the trace. You're looking for your diag trace. This guy right here. That is the location for your alert log file. So now when I come here, I clicked on this. Now when I do what? VI, paste. Watch this. Oh, watch this. See? Oh, beautiful. You see? My alert log file shows me everything that is significant. Listen to me, guys. Everything that is significant that happens in the database behind the scenes or any significant error will certainly show up here in your what? Alert log file. And it stores things in chronological order. You see the time, date and time, you see? This is a virtual machine, so it's still at 2020, you understand? Right? Because I saved it, right? So when I page all the way down, you see, we're not even at what? 0%. So what I'm going to do is, let me show you guys a quick way to get around that. Just do what? Tail it. Tail what? Alert. Let's do tail / n, let's say, oh, I don't know, 1,000, right? So I want the last 1,000 what? Lines. You see what I'm saying? So now, what you would do, Mr. Jeff, when you try to log into the database again, right? And it gives you that error, no problem. That error that it gave you will be logged in here. It will be logged in here for sure. It will be logged in here for sure. Does everybody understand? Hello?
I'm kind of lost. So my thing is,
Mr. Jeff, listen. We're trying to solve your problem. Let's not make this thing any more difficult than it is. Let's start again.
Okay.
Oh God. Guys, watch the video. You guys will watch the video. You want to kill me on Thursday? Okay, no problem. No problem.
Are you still confused?
Lazy students, right? All right. Now watch this. Everybody watch this. Watch this. Everybody watch this. Watch this. Watch. It's very simple. Jeff is trying to log in. He did something wrong with the audit trail something.
Yes.
He did something with, there is something wrong. Okay, when I do show parameter audit. Look, he did something wrong. Something is wrong with your audit file something. He knows he did something wrong, right? He doesn't know what he did wrong. And all of a sudden he can't connect, which is fine. He checked the P file, he did that, blah, 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 which is fine. However, if you are ever having any issue with your database as far as logging in, or there's a mission critical error, automatically the first thing that should be coming to your brain, is, I need to go to my what? Alert log file location.
Okay.
Mhm.
I need to be going to my what? Alert log file location. How do I do that? Now, on your system, if I do show parameter background, right? Whatever this thing is pointing to is where you should go.
Mhm.
Does everybody understand that? Wherever yours is pointing to, go there. As long as it is going to, if I do PWD, right? It should be pointing to your what? Your trace.
Mine is, even if I do show parameter background, it says Oracle not available.
I understand that. Watch this. Okay, fine. Mr. Jeff, go to /app/oracle/diag/rdbms/orcl/trace. Do that.
On the OS?
Yes, do that. Mr. Moses, I think you just came in.
Yes, I did. Yeah.
Fantastic. Welcome to the class. These guys are a little bit ahead of you, so don't get overwhelmed. You are still on week 1, so that's fine. So you will just do week 1 stuff, but you can listen in and so on and so forth, right? But I don't think you have started your project yet. But you can just listen in so you can see. But once you get here, you'll be doing stuff like this as well. You understand?
Thank you, Prof.
No problem, sir. So, Mr. Jeff, did you go there?
That's trace, right?
Yes. Did you press enter?
Mhm.
It says yes, it's a directory.
Okay, it says trace, right?
Mhm.
Yes, it says
You are there, right?
Mhm.
yeah, bash. I'm there, yeah.
Are you there? Okay, now do what? Tails, do tail slash what? Do tail, what was my last command? Tail. Okay, tail slash n.
Tail/n.
Tail slash n, because if that file is too big, right? It will be all here all day. So just look at the last 10,000 lines. Or you can even do 500, you can even do the last 300, because you cannot connect. So that error will be at the very bottom. You understand what I'm saying?
Uh-huh.
So you just do what? Tail slash n slash what? You can do slash, let's just do 300. Then alert underscore orcl.log. Because that's always what it's called. Then press enter.
Understood.
Now, once you press enter, look, once you press enter, you want to be looking for errors. You want to look for an error. Let's say destination, something like that. You want to be looking for error. It will say cannot find. You want to be looking for something like I cannot find, or you want to be looking for what? Audit or something like that.
All right, I did that. It says cannot open alert underscore oracle.log for reading no such file or directory.
Okay, no problem. Type type ls.
Uh-huh.
Did you do type ls?
Yes, I did.
Now scroll up until you see the first file in there. It should start with A. All the way to the left.
All the way to the left.
Yes. Look, if I do ls like this, in fact, if I just do ls space minus l, let's do ls space minus l. If we do ls space minus l,
minus
you are looking for,
300.
you see, you're looking for this guy. It's in alphabetical order, ls space minus l. In alphabetical order, you're looking for the first file. You see that?
The Oracle, this is not all installed. Looking for the oracle.log.
No, yes, Oracle underscore. What does yours say?
So you go to
Let's see.
What does yours say when you do ls space minus l? Just scroll up. What's the first file say?
The first one says it's a read.
No,
Read write.
no, forget that. I'm looking at all the way to the right here. This guy right here. What does this guy say? Forget all this guy right here. What does this guy say right here?
I didn't see I didn't see that log. All I see is install.
No, what? No. What directory are you in? Are you in your trace directory? Are you here?
No, I'm not there because I remember I tapped it. It told me that it wasn't available.
No. Did you? Okay, you went here though, right?
Yes, I went there. So when I did that, it says bash, the Oracle trace directory not available on my OS.
You did CD. Okay, no problem. Do cd/app/oracle/diag.
CD slash
Space
app.
cd /app/oracle/diag. Go there.
Okay. So no, I don't need to put RDBMS Oracle, none of that.
Okay, stop. Okay, do RDBMS.
Because it's a one file. It says CD/app/diagram/RDBMS/Oracle/Oracle/
Okay, stop right here. So do cd space and copy all this and then press enter. Tell me what you see.
So leave the trace, right? Everything.
Yes.
All right, let's do it. Now it says Oracle. I'm in the Oracle directory, right?
Type ls.
ls-l.
Just do ls.
Alert, cdump, hm incident.
Do you see trace?
Trace, yes, the last one.
Do cd space trace.
This is trace. Okay, and now I'm in trace now. Yes.
Now do ls space -l.
ls.
Do ls space -l.
Okay.
Now
I see the let me
you see this guy right here?
Alert log file.
Your first file should be this guy here. No doubt about it.
Nope, that's not the first file. It says Oracle_VKRM. I think my system and yours are totally different because you probably on the.
No, no way. It's here. Your alert log, yeah, sure, it's not there. Alert log file is not there. Are you kidding me?
I'm telling you, it's not there. Because it says TRC, TRM, TRC, TRM, TRM, TRM. That's it.
Why doesn't he share the screen so you can see?
You can't. So you don't see alert.
No, I can't see. I didn't see alert. All I said is read write one Oracle O install May 28th 2 o'clock Oracle_VKRM 2_2708. You know, like the numbers.
Okay. Okay. Do cd space ..
CD space.
And you did ls space -l, right?
Yes, I did that. Remember?
Okay. So do cd space ..
Okay. I'm still in Oracle. I left trace now. Now I'm in Oracle.
Okay. Now do cd space alert.
I'm in alert and I'm in alert director right now.
Now type ls space -l.
ls space -l. Okay. Now I see O install right now. Read Oracle O install 836 January 15 21 log.xml.
Okay, so you don't see it.
No.
Okay, all right. Hold on 1 second. Because I can't see your screen, so I can't find. I don't know where your. 1 second, Mr. Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Come back on screen. I can't see your something.
Huh?
Come back on screen. Let me see the camera.
Okay.
Okay, let me. Okay. Show me your screen. I can't, you have to come down a little bit. Okay, beautiful. I wish I could see. You have to come, you have to be a little bit closer. Now scroll up. No, okay, wait.
He can take a picture and send you on WhatsApp.
Yeah, you're gonna have this, Mr. Jeff. The issue is
Yes,
you
sir.
need, Mr. Jeff.
Uh-huh.
As a matter of fact, hold on 1 second. Let me see one thing, guys. Let me see one thing. I want to see whether or not the P file has a location of that. Because without that, init for cl.aura. Let me see.
I'll call you right back. Steve, okay? Are you okay? All right. All right. Okay. I'll call you right back.
Oh.
Bye bye.
Does this show me the background dump? No, it doesn't. Mr. Jeff.
Yes, sir.
I need to know where your alert log location is on your, because that will solve the problem. Because the alert log is what's going to tell you exactly what the issue is. Period. End of story. What I just don't know. I just don't know where yours is. And you are normal files where you are supposed to see it. You are, sorry, not this. You are not seeing it, which is your trace directly. It's there. Miss Monica.
Yes.
CD to this location and tell me what you see.
So I actually did that and I was able to see the alert log file.
Oh, so you saw it?
I saw it, yeah.
You saw it? You saw the alerts? You saw this guy?
Yeah, I saw alert. So I'm still under New Way database. So newwaydb.log. So I'm able to see the alert log file. It's
So you can see the alert log file, right? The first file, right?
Yes.
Mr. Jeff, I don't know.
Yeah.
I knew it. Mr. Jeff, you got to see it. It's there. If Monica can see it, you used to see it. Well,
That's what
are you sure you're the right director? This guy right here.
Which one?
This guy here.
So you told me
because Monica is saying, listen, Monica is saying she can see it. If Monica is saying she can see this guy here, this first guy here, alert, whatever I did, blah, 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 blah. If Monica is, first of all, Mr. Jeff,
yeah,
what is the name of your database?
New Way 01. That's my Oracle New Way 01.
Wait, what's the name of your database?
Hold on. That's the
what is the name? What's the name of your database?
The database you gave me, isn't it?
Oh, did you delete it? You never deleted it, right?
No. I never deleted your database.
Okay, that's fine. But so what I'm saying is, if Monica can see it, then you should be able to see it. I can see it. Monica can see it. Where is yours?
Okay. All right. Let me CD into this app again. This Oracle diagram. Let me CD into it again. See if it's going to show up.
Yeah, try it again.
CD into it again. Let me see CD.
It has to be there because you say you went to trace and you don't see your alert log file. No,
we was doing it together. You saw it, right?
I didn't see anything. I can't see. That's an issue. I can't see.
Okay, let me
see. But if Monica is saying she can see it, yeah.
Let me CD to that. CD/app.
Because it's the alert log file that will tell you everything.
Oracle RCLE.
Alert log file will tell you everything. Let me highlight it for you. But let me zoom in. Oh, this one. Let me zoom in. Do you see it better now?
Yeah. Diagram. RD.
You know what I think? I think it should be the database that is logged on.
You said what?
Because for me, it should be the database that is logged on, because maybe Jeff, you could try, because me, I'm under New Way database. So maybe it should be the one you're logged on, unless you're on ORCL.
No, his database name is ORCL. Whatever your
Okay.
database name is, it will point here. So if your database is dog, it will say dog, dog.
Yeah, isn't it the same 11G all of us have?
Yes, yes.
Okay.
So are you a trace?
Yes. Okay, look at it now. I want you to see that I just did it. Can you see it?
Scroll all the way up. Scroll all the way up. I'm talking about the first file. Now, let me
This
see.
is the
Look
first-
closer.
This is the first file. You see it?
Unfortunately, I
This
can't
is the
quite
first
see.
file.
And you can't find your alert log file.
You see it?
No, I can't see anything. Okay.
No, Jeff, take a picture and send it to him on WhatsApp.
Yeah, that's what you're gonna have to do, Mr. Jeff. So,
Okay.
Mr. Jeff, you're gonna have to take a picture, right? So,
On the very
so this,
first,
so everybody
on
watch
the
this.
very first file, right?
It should be your very first file, because the very first file starts with A, and every other file starts with O. So it should be the very first file. It never fails. It should be the very first file.
Okay, now I run it. Now it came up.
What came up?
But all that right here, because I put that. Remember, I tapped and look at it right now.
You see alerts?
Yes, alert.orcl.log right now.
Amazing, amazing. Where was it? It was there the whole time. Amazing.
Right.
Oh, okay. You see how you wasted our time. You see that? You see that? Amazing. You're making me feel like I'm going crazy.
That's good.
Are you kidding me? Right? Okay. So now type the command. Now type the command. Type this command. This guy right here. Tail slash. Don't do 1000. Do if I just do 100. Tail dash n. No, do 300. Do 300.
Okay, tail, TAIL,
So space.
space,
Tail space dash n space 300
space.
space, then whatever your alert log says, whatever the name is, whatever yours is, but it should be this. Alert underscore orcl.log. Yes.
In fact, you can just highlight it and click.
No, you can't. Not in his system.
No, not on that. No
Type it,
spot.
type it, type it.
It says, all right, no such file or directory.
Brother, what is the name of your file? What's the name of your file? What's the name of your file? Alert what? It should be alert underscore orcl.log, right?
That's what it is, right here.
But you didn't type it. Oh, come on, if the file is there, you say no such file. That means you didn't type it right.
I copied it now, and I'm about to type it in.
Then just do tail
Tail.
this minus n.
Minus n. Space 300.
Yes, space alert or whatever yours is. Just paste.
Paste. There you go, and then
You press enter, right?
I press enter. It says alert dot on the same thing I did. No such file or directory.
Bro, how can
I
you see
think
a file here? Listen,
You must have a typo.
bro, you can't, it's not possible. You can't look, you can't look. Look. Let me zoom out.
I just send it now so you can see it.
Check, no, check this out. Mr. Jeff.
Yes, sir.
Mr. Jeff, look. Oh, sorry. You can't. Look, you can't do this. Look. ls space minus L. ls space minus L. Alert. Look, you cannot see a file like this and say that and the system is saying no such file directory. It's not possible. It's literally telling you that it's there, but you are mistyping something.
No, because it says cannot open alert, cannot open it. Because if I open it, it will say it doesn't no file. Okay, let me do exactly the same thing.
No, it is telling you no such file exists.
Yeah, it says no, it says alert underscore orcl.log to read it.
Brother,
No,
Mr.
no, directory.
No. Mr. What you call it? Why are you in your alerts directory? I don't understand. You're supposed to be in your trace.
Yeah, remember we was okay.
Oh, you're in your alerts directory.
Okay,
Look,
let me see
look
this.
here. Look.
Uh-huh.
Here, you are in alert.
Exactly, because I was doing that.
But you're not supposed to be there. You're supposed to be in trace. You're supposed to be
trace.
here. What are you talking about?
Yeah, see, we was doing it earlier when I was following your own I was following your own route, and then we were here. So now I see I'm in alert. I'm supposed to be in trace. So let me go back to trace and then put this command that I just pasted, copy and pasted.
Yeah, you got to go to your trace. Your trace
I have to seed into it.
Yes. So I don't know where you're. There you go. Look, let's see. You see this guy right here? This is where you're supposed to be. This is the same place. Monica, this is what you saw, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
right. So
So let me.
CD /
Sorry. You see this? If Monica can see it, you should be able to see it. No question about it. Because both of you guys are on the same 11G system. No doubt.
I'm saying no such file or directory.
Are you there?
No, it keeps telling me no such file or directory.
It's saying no such file or directory.
Yeah.
I don't know. So Mr. Jeff, you're not.
maybe if you go with the arrow up, so it will take you to the directory where you go to trace.
Mr. Jeff, where did you see the alert file? Where did you see it? This guy right here exists.
Okay, I'm now on the trace now.
Now do ls space minus L.
ls space. All right. I'm on it.
Do you see it?
See that alert
Underscore ORCL?
ORCL?
Yes.
Because I'm inside trace and I'm inside trace directory.
And you don't see your alert ORCL.
That's the first file that
You said you saw it before.
you see. Now I run this. It's not in there. I don't know what's going on here.
Okay.
See, I'm in trace directory, but I can't find it. That's the problem I was having
So
before.
this is
because
what
I
you're
can't
gonna
find
do.
it.
So, Mr. Jeff,
Okay,
this is what you're.
alert log file right here. I see it. Okay.
You see it?
Uh-huh.
Is it the first one
Yes.
in the trace directory?
Yes.
When you look to the left, you see trace here, right?
Yes, I see.
Yeah,
I
trace,
see.
right? Just
To
type
the left?
PWD. Type PWD. Type PWD.
Present working directory. Yeah, I'm in trace.
You're in trace. So that
Yeah.
means you can see your alert. Okay, now just do what? Do what? VI alert, whatever yours is. Is it alert or underscore ORCL.log? What? How do you spell yours? You said you've seen it.
Yeah, same thing with your alert underscore ORCL.log.
Then do just type VI space alert. Just type VI space A. Press tab. It will do the rest. Type it. Type it.
You don't want me
Type
to
it.
copy and paste it?
Huh?
You don't want me to copy VI and copy and
Just
paste
type
it?
VI space. Type it.
VI space,
A. Type A.
Press
the tab button on the left.
capital letter or small letter?
Just press the tab button.
Okay. All right.
It spelled everything for you, right?
Right.
Press enter. Do you see all that stuff inside your alert log? All that nonsense?
Yeah, I see all the whole information.
Very good. Now with your finger, right? We're
Uh-huh.
going to do this in baby steps. Fine. Now with your finger, put your finger on page down all the way. Just leave it so you get all the way to the bottom of the page. Leave your finger on page down.
To the last.
Just keep pressing until it gets to the very end. Is this still going?
It's still going, yeah.
Don't press arrow down, press page down.
Oh, not arrow down, just page down?
Yes, page down. Leave your finger on page down.
Okay. There we go.
Okay. Okay, you're there, right? Okay. Now
OS audit file could not be created, failing after 5 retries.
You said what?
It says operating system audit file could not be created, failing after 5 retries.
Okay, hit the up arrow. Hit the up arrow a couple of times. Does it say something about destination or something? You see, is something wrong with your audit file? It can't find it. It's your audit file destination. It can't find. Look for something with the audit. What is it saying? Error.
Audit file could not be created, failing after 5 retries. Then audit file could not be created, failing after retries. OS.
Okay, is it saying what is it saying? The information is there.
It's saying could not open audit file. Then
you know what? Take a picture of the screen, text it to me right now.
Where it says could not open the audit file / U01 app / Oracle admin prod ADOM / Oracle underscore aura 878272_1.aud.
Just paste that whole thing. Just take a picture of your screen. Try to take as much as possible. Take a picture of your screen and text it to me.
I just sent it right now to the group chat.
Did you text it?
Yeah, it's supposed to come in now.
Oh. Okay. Error. Failing after 5 retries.
I was
Okay,
trying to
could
fix
not
it.
open file. Could not open file. Could not open file. I am thinking. Okay. So on your OS, right? On your OS, go to your A dump directory. Could not be created. Go to your A dump directory. I'm starting to think that maybe your file, maybe there are too many files in there, but go to your A dump directory. But you see how all the errors are there, right?
A lot of errors, yeah.
See, there are a lot of errors. So there's something wrong with your A dump. There's something wrong there. Wait. Wait. What is the name of your database? Is your database ORCL or prod?
Huh?
I'll ask you again. Is your database name or ORCL or prod?
My database is, I think, is ORCL.
No. Is your database ORCL or prod?
Yeah, because he's saying here ORCL and prod at the same time. So it's not like I can do $3 database. You know.
How many databases do you have on your database, on your system?
Just only Oracle. That's the only one database because I deleted
You
the
don't have
other.
a prod database. You don't have. You didn't create a prod database or anything.
I didn't create any prod database because all the database you asked to create it, it's all deleted. So I don't think they are. I didn't even open, log into any of them, and it's all deleted. So only yours is there because that's why I was able to access SQL.
It seems like your system. Okay, wait. You said you typed this exactly, right?
Yeah, trace. Yeah, that's what brought me to here.
But yours is saying /u01/app/oracle/ yours is saying something totally different. Sorry, that's your ADOM. Hold on. So let me come back over here. I wish I could, I would have fixed this thing a long time, but I just can't see your stuff. So the issue I'm having with yours is yours says prod here, not ORCL. Okay, cut your etc Aura tab. Just do cut /etc Aura tab. Type this. What do you see here?
How do I exit out on this?
No, just open up a new tab. Right click, open tab. Cut your etc /Aura tab.
I'm still on trace directory.
That's fine. Okay, type PWD.
Hello?
Can you hear me?
Yeah, PWD, that's trace. It's gonna show trace.
Okay, just type PWD. That's fine.
I'm still on trace.
Okay, now what I want you to do is type CD and press enter.
CD, enter. Okay.
Now what I want you to do is type this cat /etc /Aura tab. Type that. Oh, you want to see the database, my database name. Did you do it?
Yeah, it's still Oracle. My database is Oracle.
Do you have any other database underneath ORCL?
No.
You only have one line. That's what you're telling me.
Only ORCL /app /
And nothing
Oracle.
underneath it, right? Okay.
That's
problem.
it.
No problem. All right. just in order for us to save some time, because we were gonna on this for 2.5 hours. So me and you have to do this offline,
Okay.
because
I'm sorry, guys. I'm sure you guys have
I just can't-
100
because
100
you
questions.
definitely
Oh
did
my
something
God.
to your alert log. You definitely did something to your alert log file, but I just can't see, and I just can't see your alert log. I need more information, but I'm not there. I just can't see it. I've seen the picture that you sent me. Hold on, let me see.
Do you have WebEx or Teams, Jason, so you can remote and see? I think if you have a visual, you can troubleshoot better.
Yeah, but his laptop is not connected to the internet. That's the issue. So
Oh yeah, sorry,
yeah,
you're right.
that's the issue. You understand?
Yeah.
So if I do show parameter audit, look, Mr. Oh, you can't even do that. So you don't even know
I
where
can't even go into
yeah, you
SQL.
can't even. Okay, but can you go here? Can you navigate to ADOM?
Don't show parameter audit.
Oh no, on your OS, can you do CD space, then go here and let me know if you're able to get to ADOM here.
I think I did that. Let me see CD.
If you're able to get to ADOM, I just want to make sure that if you're able to get to it. Wait, actually, hold up. Actually, no, yours is different. So what I want you to do is, it the same file? I can't open. Okay, go to this guy. Look, cd/u01/app/oracle/admin/
Didn't we try that before?
Yours says prod for whatever reason. I don't know why it says prod, but that's fine. Prod/ADOM.
When you were partitioning, you didn't put prod, because if there's no way prod is gonna be there if that's not what you added.
Listen, just type this. Just type it. Just type this.
Okay.
This is what your system is saying. So let's go to where your system is.
/Oracle /prod. No such file or directory.
Oh, no such file or directory here. When you type it exactly like this.
Yep. CD. Yep.
When you type it exactly like this.
Yes, sir. It says bash.
No, did you put a space after CD?
Yes, I put CD then space.
/u01/app/oracle/admin/prod/ADOM. Is that
Yeah, type it like that. U01.
And what does it say? What exactly? What error did it say?
It says no such file or directory.
Okay, so what you're going to do now is this. Type this. Okay, so what you're going to do now is, watch this. You just simply type this. Make directory space -p, right? Let's create the directory that is saying it can't find.
Make directory.
This guy.
-p.
Just do this. mkdir space -p. You did something to your audit file. You did something. It doesn't
So
like
just make directory space P. That's it.
I said make directory space -p.
Okay.
And then type this.
Okay, type, okay.
Type that.
0/app/Oracle.
Type it, type it, type it. Okay, it said I can't find that directory. Okay, let's create it. Make sure you type it right. Type it right.
Permission denied.
What do you mean permission denied?
That's what it says. It says make directory cannot create directory. The number permission denied.
Okay. Go here. Oh, you did space minus P.
Yeah. Make directory space minus P. Then I type U0
What did you
/
type? Oh, what did you type?
Okay. Make directory space minus P /
You put a space here.
Huh? Yeah, I put a space. Yeah.
Okay. Slash what?
U01 / app / Oracle / admin / prod / ADOM.
Okay, you know what we're gonna do? This is what we're gonna do, Mr. Jeff. This is what we're gonna do.
Jason, I have a very stupid question.
Hold on, this is what-
Don't force at me.
Wait, hold on, Miss Allison. This is what we're gonna do, right? Mr. Jeff. Mr. Jeff, this is what we're gonna do. You're gonna follow me step by step. This is what we're gonna do, right? But I can't see, so I'm just going to brute force this thing. Right? Are you listening?
I'm listening. Yeah.
Okay, I'm gonna clear my screen. So this is what we're gonna do. You type CD, you press enter. Are you there?
CD enter.
You're there, right?
Yeah. Tilde prompt.
You're gonna do mkdir space minus a dump. Do that. Press enter.
Space. Oh. Okay.
You've done that, right?
But you didn't make a directory for ADOM.
Listen, have you done that?
Yes.
Okay. Then you're going to go to your Oracle home / DBS. Do that.
All right. I'm in the database directory.
Okay. Now you're going to do vi space init orcl.ora.
Okay.
Did you do that?
Yes.
Press enter.
Now you brought me back to the same place that we left.
Okay. Now scroll down. Also, yeah. Till you see this guy, audit file desk.
That's it.
Do you see your audit file desk right here?
Audit file desk. Yes.
Now I want you to now change this to what? Listen, I want you to change this to what? /home. Sorry. I want you to now change this guy to what? /home /Oracle /ADOM. Then I want to put it in, make sure you put it in single quotes. And then I want you to make sure that you have this on OS. Make sure you have this, instead of DB, make this OS.
So put the app as home.
Yes. Listen, audit file desk equals quotes /home /Oracle /ADOM. Did you do it?
Sometimes it can't even let me. I have
No,
to tap
you're not cutting, you have VI in it, VI.
right, but I have to.
You have to
Okay.
what?
wouldn't even let me type in it.
Did you press I for insert?
Yes, it did. Okay, let me do that stuff you said.
Did you press I? Come on, this should be easy, bro. This is the easy part.
Yeah, I got it.
Did you type this part? Just /home/oracle/adom. Done. That's it.
Yeah, we good. Well, I typed it. That's a single quote.
You've done it, right?
Yeah, I've done it.
Check. Is this DB or OS right here? DB or OS?
Mine just says DB. So change it
Change yours
to
to OS in lowercase.
Okay. With a single quote.
Yes.
All right.
You changed it, right?
Yeah, with small letters.
Yes. Now
All
save the file. Escape shift : what? WQ. Escape first, shift : WQ.
Should I put the just leave WQ or put the asterisk?
You can put the exclamation point, that's fine.
Exclamation. Okay, cool. Then enter.
Yes. Did you do that?
All right.
Okay. Now, I want you to do this.
Shut down.
No. Cut your bash profile. I want to make sure, oh, sorry, CD first, and then do cut your bash profile. Make sure that this guy says ORCL. Just cut your bash profile. Just cut. See.
CD on what?
Space, dot bash _ profile. This guy right here.
Okay, cut space dot. Okay.
Cut space dot bash _ profile.
Export part Oracle _ home.
This guy right here, what does it say here? For you, Oracle SID equals what?
Oracle _SID equals ORCL.
Okay, fine. Then I just want you to source your bash profile. Just do space dot space bash profile. Do that.
Space dot space bash _ profile.
Did you do that?
No such file or directory.
No, type CD, enter first. No, that means you didn't type this thing right. Space dot bash _ profile. Are you in your tilde?
Okay. Yes, I'm in Matilda, yeah.
And then just do
Space
dot space bash
dot
profile or source dot bash profile, either way.
Bash _ profile. Okay.
It's fine, right?
Okay.
Okay. Now, go back here. Go back to your Oracle home /DBS. /DBS. LS, right? Now, pay very close attention to your SP file ORCL.ORAC. Do you have that? You have that still there?
Hold on one second. No, ORCL.
Yeah, here. You're coming here.
CD Oracle.
This guy right here.
Let's go home. Yeah. /DBS.
Enter.
Okay, then enter. No
LS.
such file, no such file or directory.
Bro, you're mistyping a lot. Look, it's just CD to your Oracle home /DBS.
Okay, I'm in my DBS directory right now.
Your DBS. Okay, type LS.
LS. Okay.
You see this guy right here? SP file ORCL.ORA. All the way to the right is an alphabetical order.
Yeah, sp5orcl.aura.
Do you see one with another A? SP file, the same name, but with another A. Do you see one there or no?
No, there's no one. There's no other one like that.
Okay,
No.
then create it. We can't use that. Then do MV SP file dot .orcl. Then to what? SP file. Watch. Look. Let's not waste time. Look, I'm just typing MV. I do SP, right? I just press tab. It does everything for me. I do space. SP. Oh, look. I do space. I do SP. I press tab again. I just put another A there. That's it. Then you press enter. So that you don't mistype. That's why I'm telling you to press tab. So MV space SP, press tab. Space.
Add
SP.
to it.
Huh?
Because I do MV sp5orcl.aura, then space sp5orcl.oraa.
Yes.
Okay. Enter.
Yes.
Okay.
So it worked, right?
Yes.
Okay. Now, what I want you to do now is do what? Type CD, press enter.
CD enter. Okay.
Now, what I want you to do is this. I want you to do what? Echo $Oracle _SID. Press enter.
Equal space $ORACLE _SID. Okay. I'm in Oracle.
What does
right
it
now.
say?
It says Oracle.
Now, do SQL plus. SQL plus /as sysdba.
Do I have to shut it down or lower it down or not?
No. Did you do SQL plus /as sysdba?
Yeah, it keeps saying when SQL Plus starts and after connect command, the site profile, example, Oracle _home, SQL Plus admin, login, SQL, and the user profile. Example,
Type
login.
this. Type startup force.
Startup Plus. That's what I was.
Type startup force.
Startup command not found.
Startup space force.
Yep. Command not found.
Type shutdown abort.
Shut down space ABORT. Command not found.
Okay. Type exit.
Exit to. I'm in Linux prompt. I can't even.
Are you a Linux prompt?
Yeah, I'm in a Tilda prompt.
Okay, so open up a new tab. Right click, open up a new tab.
Okay.
Now type the source. Type source.bash_profile. So you open up a new tab, right?
Right. Then source space dot
bash
bash
profile.
Let's go profile. Okay. Work.
Now do SQL plus /as sysdba. What do you see?
It brought me back to the Linux prompt too.
No, you did SQL plus /as sysdba, right?
Yes.
Then what do you see?
It shows me a whole example. Connect to database using net service name and the
No,
database.
you didn't type it right. Type SQL plus space / space /sysdba.
SQL SQL, LUS.
Type it like this here. This guy right here, right here.
Yeah, that's what I just did.
No, no way. SQL plus slash assist DBA.
Slash DBA. Okay.
Amazing. All right. Now
Connected to my ideal instance.
type startup.
Come on.
Did it start?
It's the startup.
Amazing.
Unable to create audit trail file. The same problem.
Wait, unable to create audit trail file again, and it's reading your P file, and I show you.
That's what it says. It says on a startup. It gave me that error message. All right, 09925 unable to create audit trail file. Linux x86 underscore before error.
Okay, fine. Take a picture and send it to me real quick. Because we have created you created a directory, a dump in your tilde, right?
Yes, we did that.
No, I know I did it. Did you do it?
I did everything you told me to do, sir. I followed everything.
Did you do mkdir space a dump in your what tilde?
mkdir. So let me go. Let me exit and then.
Okay.
Let me exit. Let me exit SQL right now. Exit SQL. Okay.
Hold on.
Then I'll do.
Yeah, it said unable to create no such file or directory, bro. It's telling you right here, bro. It can't find it. Okay, go into your tilde. Are you in your tilde?
Yeah, I'm in my tilde right because I exit out.
Okay. Now, when you do ls,
Okay, I'm in ls.
do you see a dump here? Do you see a dump?
I only see dump.
Listen, do you see a dump? A dump.
Nope.
Look, of course, you're not going to see that. Then your name is not going to start, bro, because it's telling you right there. That's the issue. It can't find it, bro. Listen, just do this. You created dump. I said create a dump, not dump. Simply do what mkdir space a dump. Simple. Type that.
Did.
I just asked you right now, do you see a dump? You said no. Did you do it now?
Yes, I did it.
So you've done it. No issue. It didn't give you any error, right?
No error.
Okay. Hit the up arrow twice until you see SQL plus.
Up arrow twice.
Until you see SQL plus slash assist DBA.
Okay.
You see it, right? Press enter.
Okay, copyright 1982, 2009, Oracle, all right, reserved. And,
you shouldn't see it. You should just see connection to an ID instance or something like that.
now it says unable to create audit trail file, enter username. So Oracle, right?
Hold on. Type exit. Did you type exit?
I can't tap exit because it's telling me to enter username.
Press enter 3 times. Just press enter 3 times.
Okay, now I'm in a tilde prompt.
Okay. Now type source space. Look, exit. Now do source space .bash _ profile. Type that.
Okay.
Now go back to SQL plus slash assist DBA. Come on, it's just SQL plus SQL. Come on, this is easy stuff. Just log in. What did it say?
It's not letting me log in. SQL SQL PLUS /.
Okay, open up. Okay, open up a new tab. Open up another tab.
Okay, now let's see if I'm gonna log in.
Did you open up another tab?
No, you told me to type a SQL plus as
Okay, when you did that, so what do you see now?
same error and enter username.
No, open up a new tab. Open up a new tab.
Okay, open tab. All right, I'm in Tilden right now.
Okay, type ls first.
ls ADOM.
You see ADOM.
Uh-huh.
Okay. Source your bash profile.
Source space dot bash underscore profile. Okay.
Type SQL plus /assistDBA. Type it exactly like this: SQL plus space / space /assistDBA.
Bounce back to this is when SQL plus starts and after connect command, the site profile example Oracle underscore home SQL plus admin login and the user
Guy,
profile.
you are not typing this thing right. SQL plus /assistDBA.
I've been typing. I can type this thing on my sleep. I don't know.
So what is this? What is this saying?
It's saying that it brought me to a different prompt. Now, okay.
What does it say now?
This is the same thing I saw. It says copyright, like it's trying to opening me up, and then now it says back to the error. Unable to create audit trail file. Linux x69 64 error.
You know what? Okay, fine. You know what? Okay. Now go type the CD $Oracle. Type this CD Oracle home / DBS.
So
Type this.
I understand that, but it's giving me enter username.
Press enter 3 times. Just press enter 3 times.
Okay. Then CD. Yep, I'm in the DBS directory.
Now, what I want you to do is do this. VI init ORCL or Aura. Now I want you to take a picture and show me this. I want to see this guy right here. Show me this guy.
Remember, I changed it to OS.
Take
Remember?
a picture. Just take a picture and send it to me. I want to see this. I want to see what you did here. Show me.
Okay, it's a VI to what? What is it?
My guy, it's just this. Look, VI.
It's okay.
This guy here, right here.
ORCL.
You did all right?
Yeah.
You did it? Are you in? Did you press enter?
Yeah, it says enter. Okay, you want a picture? Because I changed it from forward
Take a
slash.
picture of this. I just want to see this. Just show me this. That's all I want to see. I just want to see this. That's all.
Okay. Got you. I follow orders.
All right. Let's see. Okay, so now type ls. Type ls.
Okay.
Now what I want you to do is I want you to take a picture of this, of what you see under LS. I want to see that you rename this guy. I want to see that.
Hold on.
Just take a picture. Did you rename him?
I didn't even see it. It's not even in it.
Wait. Hold on. Just, okay, take a picture of your DBS. Take a picture of, you did LS, right?
Yes, all is there is
No
Adon.
problem. No. Just take a picture. Take a picture of what you see under LS. You did LS, right? Take a picture and send it to me. Take a picture. Let's see. Mr. Jeff, what are you doing, bro? Mr. Jeff,
Yeah.
you are not even inside your DBS directory. Come on, bro. I said go here.
Yes, I did.
But you're not there. You're not. You just sent me a picture. You're not there, bro. You are not there. You're telling me you're there. No, you're not there. You are in your tilde.
You say go into Oracle_home so
Look, CD here first.
/ but I did it earlier. It keep bouncing me back, telling me it's not working.
No, listen. I don't care what you are. Listen, CD here. I just want to see the picture. CD to this guy here.
Okay.
Right? Then once you get there, just type LS. I just want to see. The issues with your audit trail file is saying, and I'm thinking that, okay, just show me, just type LS.
No, you told me to CD on
Just type LS and send me the picture.
Oracle. Yes, I did that like 100 times. And LS. There you go. All this stuff is in here. Oh boy.
Okay. And it's also okay, no problem. So what I need you to do now, Mr. Jeff, what I want you to do now is this. Go to I guess terminal or whatever it is and restart your system. Reboot your system.
Because I think it's gonna work.
You know how to do that, right? No, just simply do what? SU space minus, right? Go to root, and then just type what? Reboot. Done.
Password Oracle, then reboot.
Yes.
Shut it down.
So once that happens, let me know.
Okay.
Is your stuff back up?
It's probing for new hardware, kind of, loading up. Okay, username, Oracle. Okay, I just open up a terminal,
Yes.
then log into SQL.
Yes. When you do SQL, just let me know what you see. Don't do anything else. You did SQL plus / assist DBA, right?
Yeah, connected to an idle instance.
Now type startup.
Let's see what's up. Same error.
Which error? What error does it say?
Unable to create audit trail file. Linux, same thing. No-
Type enter 5 times. Type enter 5 times or whatever. Are you there?
Yeah, SQL.
No. Press. I need you to get to your tilde.
Oh, exit.
Yes.
Disconnected.
Okay. Are you on your OS?
Yes.
Are you in your tilde?
Yes.
Type pwd.
Project working directory.
Read what's your path.
Home.
Read the whole path.
/home /Oracle.
And you have ADOM there.
No,
Type
ADOM.
ls.
Let's see, ls. ADOM is there.
I don't know. You did something. I'm not there, and you can't get to your. Okay, wait.
There's ADOM and there's dump. It doesn't matter.
Okay, go back into your SQL Plus. Go back into your SQL Plus. Did you do that? Connected to an idle instance, right?
It's
SQL Plus / assist DBA.
hard to do that right now. It's taking its time. Just telling me the error, unable to connect, unable to create audit trail file.
Right click, open up the new tab.
Okay.
SQL Plus / assist DBA. What do you see?
It's telling me the copyright and everything,
No, bro. I just need you to get to connected to an idle instance like you did before.
Nope, it says you keep giving me the error message.
Close all the tabs. Close all the tabs. Open up a new tab. Guys, you guys have got to watch these videos well. Like this audit is not if I'm not there, like this error, it's almost because I can't see what. Okay, open up a new tab.
I did.
SQL Plus / SysDBA. You didn't do startup or anything, right?
No. I just did SQL Plus / SysDBA, copyright 9082.
No, SQL Plus what?
Error message again.
No. What did you type? Hit the up arrow.
SQL Plus / SysDBA.
Did you put a space in the right place?
Of course. I mean, I can do this on my sleep.
I'm going to need you to do this one last thing, because if this doesn't work, you're just going to have to blow your system away. I can't see anything. Reboot, log back into SQL Plus. Now we're going to force it to use the P file. We're going to have to force it.
So I have to close the terminal.
Yes,
Open a new tab.
yes, you're going to have to look. SU space minus Oracle.
Because it's telling me to enter username.
Look, press enter. Look, just close all it. Look,
Okay.
press
All
enter.
right.
Just reboot. Press
Reboot.
enter 3 times. Go on your system. Open up a new tab. SU space minus Oracle, and then just type reboot. It's done.
On the tilde?
Yes. The SU space minus.
SU space minus.
Enter.
Enter. Password.
Yeah. Put in your password Oracle, and then type reboot.
You do. Oh, can you tell her now?
Mr. Jeff, is your database up?
No, I did. Jim, hold on, check it. Yeah. Hello? Now I'm going to punch Oracle. Let me see. Let me try to log in and see what's going on.
Did you open up a new terminal?
That's what I'm about to do now. Okay. SQL
Now,
Plus.
just do SQL Plus / SDBA. Don't do anything after that.
Connected to an idle instance.
Now, do this. Type startup
Yes.
P file equals quotes. Oracle home /DBS/init orcl.ora. Close the quote, semicolon, press enter. But before you do that, make sure you type it right. Exactly like that.
Wow.
Before you press enter, make sure you it's exactly like that.
Yep.
You put the quotes around it and everything.
Yep. Yes, indeed.
Okay, take a picture before you press enter and text it to me. Okay, press enter. Did you press enter?
Yeah.
What does it say now?
Startup P5 unable to create audit, same error.
I don't know. I don't know. I can't, I don't know. You did something. And I can't, I see the directory is there. I don't know.
I follow orders, you know. I did everything too. I did all it. I tried most of this stuff on the internet on my own, and I was like, you know what? Today I'm gonna consult you.
And
I
I
don't
can't
know.
see I can't see your what you call it, your alert log file. I can't see. Everything looks fine to me. Unless I just can't see it. I don't know. We've tried using the P file. Your A dump is there. I don't know what you typed with that database where it's just not seeing it.
Because I was on the archive log. I was following the direction that you put in there, and I moved it from. I know I moved
Okay, I'll
it
tell you
from.
what. Okay, this is the last one.
Okay.
Type exits or get back on your OS. Just press enter like a lot of times.
Exit.
And then go to your Oracle home /DBS. Did you do that?
Yes, I'm in the DBS.
And via your init orcl.ora.
Is it dot .ora, O-R-A-A, or dot O-R-A?
It's your P file. You did your product file. Look,
Yeah.
this guy right here.
No, I want to make sure, because remember we
This
changed
guy
that.
right here. This guy here. It's your P file. I don't care about init ora.
Because we changed the other one to AA.
This guy right here.
Gotcha. All right, I'm back in the same place.
Now, what I want you to do now is change your audit _ trail to DB.
Insert audit trail file.
Press I for insert and change it from OS to DB.
Course DB. Okay. Escape, shift column.
Yes, save. Make sure you save the file. WQ.
Exclamation mark or no?
Either way is fine.
All right, I did it.
Okay. Now go back into SQL Plus. Go back, log back
Huh?
into SQL Plus. What did you say?
It's waiting to tell all copyright 1982 2009 Oracle all rights reserved. Now it gave me back the error. Unable to create audit trail file.
Okay, so what I want you to do is reboot again. You got to reboot again. This is the last one, bro. This is gone way past. I don't know what you did to your audit trail, and I can't see your log file, so I can't see it.
Because
So-
everything I did, it's not like I did something major because
No. Your audit trail is major. You can see how much of a difficulty this is. If I'm not there by you, like if you were in our office, I would have fixed this in real quick. But because I'm not there, I can't see a lot of things. But based on what I'm saying, it's saying unable to create that directory. Then and you've created a directory. Okay, we'll reboot again. We've changed it from OS, so it shouldn't worry about your OS settings. It should only go to your DB. Okay. Yeah. Then just let me know when it's back.
after this, if it doesn't work, I got another laptop or what?
Oh, you can't get another laptop. Just create another database. Simple.
Okay, do you
But make sure you audits. Yeah.
So if this doesn't work, I have to delete the database.
I create another database called OS.
Database.
Because I'm not there. I will keep wasting time because I can't see it. I just can't see it. I need to put I just can't see it. If it was one thing, if you as you were typing, I could see it, but I can't see it. There's obviously something, but it's saying cannot create file or directory. That's easy. It just means that directory is not there in that location. Well, anyway, let's see. Ms. Monica, do you have any questions for me?
Everybody have logged out. I took everybody's time.
Sorry. No, I was still on. I was just thinking that maybe if Jeff could log on with his phone and then show the camera on the screen, then that we could be able to see.
No, picture is fine.
Okay.
I'm just asking, do you have any questions for me?
No, so far I just came in to listen and I've enjoyed the whole time. It's a learning, is a learning curve to just get to know how to go around these things.
You will get here. Right? This is project 6. So now you guys know how important messing with this audit file desk is. Very important. If you mess us up and you don't know what you're doing, and I have a lot of videos on this part right here.
It's tricky.
Yes. Mr. Jeff, are you back?
Yes, I'm back. SQL Plus or
Yes, just do SQL Plus /assist-DBA. Then do startup P file equals quotes $Oracle home /DBS /init orcl.ora. Close quotes.
Connected to an idle instance now.
Okay, now do startup P file equals. As a matter of fact, just type startup because you don't have an SP file. Just type startup.
Okay.
And press enter.
Same error.
It says cannot create file or directory, right?
Unable to create audit trail file.
What is it say? What location is it looking for?
It says unable to create audit trail file. Linux x86_67. Error number 2. No such file or directory. Additional information 9925.
Does it give you any path location?
No.
/home/ blah blah blah.
No, none.
And you created a dump. Okay, press enter 3 times or 5 times.
Inside SQL, because I'm already in SQL.
Yeah, press enter 3 times.
Okay.
Until you get to OS.
SQL.
Press
Or exit.
Exit.
Okay. All right.
You type ls.
Until the prompt now.
Yes, type ls.
LS. Okay.
And you see a dump there.
It's a dump. I can send it. I send you a picture, right? You want me to send it to you again? That's ADUMP.
Does it say no such file or directory? Does it say that?
No, it says unable to create audit trail file.
Okay, hold on 1 second.
No such file or directory. Because a dump is already it's blue, which means it's a directory.
Type this. Change mod.
Change modification to what?
755 a dump.
So I'm gonna have to seed into DBS.
No, just type C. No, do it from tilde.
Okay.
From where you are. Chain mod 755 a dump.
755. Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Hit the up arrow twice until you see SQL Plus.
Okay.
What do you see?
SQL Plus /assist-DBA.
Now do startup. Not startup. Just startup
Enter.
P file. Do the startup P file 1. Look, startup P file. Oracle home /DBS /init orcl.ora.
How am I going to do that if you keep giving me unable to create audit trail file? I can't even do anything. Enter username.
Is that what it's saying?
Yeah, that's what it's saying.
Okay, so what you're going to do is, this is what you're going to do, right? And this is how this is how we're going to end it. Reboot again, right? Reboot again. Log SQL Plus /assist-DBA, right? Then do startup P file. This whole command. If that doesn't work, bro, blow your database away. I don't know what you did because I can't see it. I've changed the permissions. I've created the directory. I've changed it in the P file. I've bounced the database. I've forced it to use the P file. I don't know what you did because I can't see your log file. If that doesn't work, then delete your database, create another database called ORCL.
So I have to go to
DBC.
Oracle
DBC.
Huh?
You know how to create a database, right?
Yes, I know how to create a database, but you know, I'm gonna use the same Oracle.
Yes, ORCL. Yes.
Okay.
So you delete that database, create a brand new database.
All right.
I don't know what. There's something about that. I've done everything as far as that A dump, but for whatever reason, it's not seeing it. I don't know why, because I'm not there. I don't know. If you were next to me, easy fix, but you're not. I don't know. I just can't see it.
But I'm following orders. Everything you're saying, I was doing. So I don't understand why I couldn't.
I need to see that alert log file. Period. I need to see that. That tells me, okay, I need to see everything. Because as a DBA, like you're just showing me a picture, right?
Right.
I need to see everything. I need to see more things. But you can't be sending me like 10 different pictures. We'll be here all night.
Okay.
Nobody has time for that. Okay, so you know what to type, right, Mr. Jeff?
Huh?
You know what to type once you do SQL Plus. So you do that, start up, blah, 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 right? Okay.
I'm about to do that now.
All right. The rest of you guys, make sure, hopefully you guys, this is a learning experience, right? Don't play with your audits. Don't think your audits trail don't take it for fun. That's a very, very serious something. And maybe I should remove that from the project, but you got to know that. This is some senior DBA stuff. If you mess that up, yeah, it's a big deal, right? So, Miss Monica, do you have any questions?
No, so far everything is good. And thank you. That was, you really tried. I appreciate that.
Okay.
And sorry, Jay, for what happened. I hope you get yourself everything back. Yeah.
Thank you, Ms. Monica. I appreciate you. It's
Okay.
Yeah, it's tough. Yeah.
Mr. Moses, do you have any questions?
Not at the moment.
problem.
Just want to thank you. It was just a learning experience too. So
Okay.
yeah.
So guys, make sure you do your projects. Do your projects, right? Do your projects. Mr. Jeff, if you have any issues, Mr. Jeff, if you have any issues, what I want you to do is recreate your database, right?
Okay.
Recreate your database. And then what I want you to do is create your database as ORCL. Then go through that exercise again. Change that audit file desk. Change your audit file desk to /home/Oracle/ADUMP. We already know that that's there, right? But before you do all that, right, make sure that you get the location of your alert log file. You should always have that. As a DBA, you should always have the location for your alert log file.
You mean when I'm creating a new database?
So after it's created.
Okay.
So after it's created, you just simply do what? You do what? Select star from $diag_info. Then what you want to do is you want to look for this guy. You want to look for not alert. You want to look for this guy, Trace.
I'm gonna do that tomorrow. Is there anywhere I can call you or something and then you guide me to it?
Yeah, just text me. If I don't pick up, just text me.
Okay.
Go to your trace. First of all, try to log in. Try to log in, right? Then if you no, you can't even do all that. You won't even know where your trace. You can't even log in to even know.
Exactly, because you created this. So
okay, that's fine. Just try to log in. No. After you create a brand new database, right? Yeah, you can. Yeah, your database will be fresh and new, right? So you just do select star from $diag_info. Then scroll up. You're looking for this guy that says what diag trace. You want to find this location always. Just put that somewhere, right?
So where am I exporting it to?
No, you can just copy this and then just, open up a new tab and then just paste it. Or just write it down, something, I don't care. Just make sure you have that, right? Then just come here and just make sure, CD space here. They type LS, right? then just make sure that you have, make sure that you see how much this thing is. Oh, yeah. Okay. Just do ls space minus L, like so. Okay. ls space minus LTR.
You know, you're saying this now. When I text you tomorrow or something, you're gonna tell me go watch the video.
Rewatch this video.
This is like a 2 hours video.
Okay, that's part of learning.
I understand that, but
what? It's
I
too
need
long.
at least I need to cut some kind
You said it's too long.
Yes, because we did a lot of stuff on this.
So you want the shortcuts?
It's not the shortcut. It's everything we did here today was semi-confusing and a lesson at the same
No
time.
problem. Rewatch the video. What are you talking about? Yeah, you want the shortcut? But what I'm saying is this, right? You can just watch the last hour, right? So look, once again, listen, there are no shortcuts to this thing, right? This, you are saying 1 hour to, when I was coming up, we didn't have any of this. We had to listen on a recorder. So you guys are spoiled. You have no idea. So what I'm saying is go to your alert log. Look, log into your database. No big deal. Look, once you've created your database, log into your database. Then just do what? You've created a database, open it. Just type this. Select star from $diag_info.
Select.
You do that, then you just want to locate diag_info.
Okay.
Then you just want to go to what? You want to look for this location, diag trace. This is the location you want. This is the location that will have your alert log file. This guy right here on your OS. Write it down somewhere or whatever, take a picture, whatever, right? Then you just want to go there. Once you go there, or you CD to it, you copy this and then just do what? CD space and press enter. Now you're there. Then just type ls space minus what? L alert, right? So you know that file exists. See, I'm just doing that, right? You know that file exists. Then what you want to do is, right? Okay, so you know your alert log file exists. So that's your alert log. Then what you want to do next. So what we're just trying to make sure that everything is sane. You know where your alert log is, that's fine. So that if we ever have any issue, you know how to get your alert log file to look for the error. Now, then you go back into your database, right? Then then you want to do that. You want to do that thing again. Show parameter audit. Now you just change this, just like you are told to do. Alter system set audit file best equals quote. Paste this guy equals /home /Oracle /ADOM, right? You see that, right? Okay. Now, when you did this, did you do scope equals SP file?
Yes.
You just scope equals, okay. So now let us do alter system set audit trail equals OS. Okay, so now we have to do scope equals SP file for both. Scope equals SP file. Oh, my SP file use create SP file from P file.
Oh, Lord.
So just watch the last hour of this.
All right.
Alter system set, audit trail equals OS, scope equals SP file, right? Okay, so now when I shut down, let me do show parameter audit. Okay, it hasn't changed yet, so I need to do what? Reboot, right? Shut it. Start up. Do you see that?
Uh-huh.
Okay. Show parameter audit. See, super simple. I did the same thing that you did. No issue whatsoever. I changed my audit file dest to a dump. I changed my audit trail to OS. Super simple. Look, so if I go to this, CD, I do LS. You see, my ADOM is there. So if I do CD space ADOM, you see, it has already started auditing. Already. Look, LS space minus LTR. You see, today is June 16th. What time? Oh, it doesn't give you, gives you the time at 22:06:60. You see, 22 what, 43. You see that? That's the current time right now. So let you know that, yeah, it's working fine. No issue whatsoever. The same error that, the same thing that I told you on the thing, it worked fine for me in 2 seconds. Look, SQL plus /slash /sysdba. Look, show parameter audit. You see, I changed this, right, to this guy right here, /home/oracle/adom, no problem. And I also changed it to what? OS, no problem. Look, before it was, you see, before it was here. Before this was this. Before this was DB. You see that, right?
Right.
No problem. So what I did was, over here, I made sure that this directory, a dump is there. No problem. LS space minus L, you see a dump? A dump is there, you see? A dump is there, right? So now when I come back over here, so I changed this to /home/oracle/a dump. I changed this to OS, just like I asked you to do on a project. See, /home/oracle/a dump. Okay, is a dump on my OS? Absolutely, it is. It's there, no issue, right? I also changed this from DB to OS. This is OS. Okay, I've changed the OS. Okay, so now when I log in, okay, I can see it's already started to log. So now you can see, show parameter audit. I'm logged in. It's reading everything fine. Look, select open mode from the $database. Simple. This is not something that should take forever. That's why I don't know what you did. You see what I'm saying?
Yeah, we did everything together, just like together. Like
That's what I'm saying. I don't know what you did, but I'm showing you that, okay, I said, okay, let me test it myself. I just did it. This is something like I said, if I was next to you, you see how easy I did. I did this in 2 seconds. No issue.
I believe
So, anyway,
the database.
So,
I believe
anyway, so
the
this is what we're
database
going to do, Mr. Jeff. So this is what you'll do. Delete your database.
Yes, I'm gonna delete it.
Start a brand new database, right? Then go back and do this. When you log into the database again, right? Make sure you you note down your alert log file. I've shown you how to do that. Then just change this this guy. Just do alter system set, audit trail equals OS, scope equals SP file, and then change this also as well. Alter system set, audit file dest equals /home/oracle/edom, because we already know that this exists on your system. Then do scope equals SP file as well. Bounce your database should start, no issue. Simple. This is a 2 sec. For me, it takes 2 seconds for me to fix this. So I said, you know what? Okay, let me just try it myself to see maybe there's truly an issue. But so long as I can do it, then I don't know what you did. I don't know, and I can't see it. But you see how quickly it was for me to resolve this issue. As a matter of fact, it didn't even give me any issue because I just did it straightforward, simple and straightforward. Do you understand what I'm saying? So delete your database, recreate another database, right? Then come back and do this. Alter system set, what? Alter system set, audit trail, set it to OS, scope equals SP file. Then do this, alter system set, audit file dest equals changes to this location, space scope equals SP file. Then shut down, start up. You should not have any issue. You should be good to go. That's it. That's it. Just do that. So your assignment today, create your database, blow away your database, start up a brand new database, right? Then when you start up a brand new database, then change those system parameters. This guy right here. So you would change it. Listen, you would change it from here to, and then you would change it from here to this guy.
Okay.
Right? But make sure you do scope equals SP file, right? Then once you've done that, shut down, start up. You should have no issue. That's it.
Okay. All right. I'll be reaching out, once I try it. If it's not working
definitely
out.
If you have any issues, just text. If tonight is a little bit late, but if you do it tomorrow, then definitely I'll definitely respond.
All right, no problem.
Okay.
I appreciate you. Thank you so much.
No problem. Mr. Moses, Miss Monica, right? You guys know what you need to do individually, right? Miss Monica, you know what to do, right?
I know what to do, yes.
All right.
I'm good, yeah. Thank
All right.
you.
Mr. Moses, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So you are going to start with you are going to start with Linux 1, right?
Okay.
With your project 1. Watch all the videos and do your projects. You should have this. The first project is the easiest one. It's just Linux commands. You see how you can't survive without Linux commands. You understand what I'm saying? Yeah.
That's true.
Yeah. So you got to understand this Linux stuff. All right.
Okay.
So this has been a very long video, but it's educational and informative, even for people that are on YouTube that are going to be watching this afterwards. You understand?
Now, I got a quick question. What you're telling
Yes.
Jeff out there, in a work environment,
Yes.
would he be able to kind of kill the database and start a new one?
Absolutely not. Are you kidding me?
Oh,
Absolutely not. No way, no how. As a matter of fact, in the work environment, right?
yes.
When you first create the database is when you change this guy and you never touch it in your life again.
Mm-hmm.
You literally never in your life touch it again. You change this guy when the database is brand new, no users, nothing. You change this guy once, this guy, and then you change this guy to OS. You never in life change it again. The only thing that you do is you just be deleting, emptying that file because it gets very large and it can hang the server. You understand? So you
Yes.
never touch it again.
I
You understand
see.
what I'm saying? This is why you got to know how to fix it. This audit file destination is mission critical. Don't touch that directory, but you got to know how to fix it, which I just showed you guys in the last 10 minutes. It's an easy fix, but unless I'm next to your computer, I don't know what happened. I can't see. I got to see. Being a DBA, sometimes you got to touch and feel. Okay, I got to touch and see it. It could be just one simple thing that I just can't see on his machine, that I'm just not seeing. But hey, left up to my database, hey, easy fix for me. I can do this in 2 seconds. It's not an issue at all. So to answer your question, Mr. Moses, you never do that. Delete what database? Are you kidding me? Which database are you going to delete? You better fix it. You got to be able to fix it. But fixing it is easy though. It's super easy. It's not hard. It's just a very, we're just changing the location. That's all. It's not even a complicated issue at all. But just changing a location from one location to another, changing this to OS, that's all. It's not a big deal. Not a big deal at all, right? But unless I'm there, unless I don't know, I just can't see it, right? But you guys saw, hey, it took me 2 seconds. So it's, I don't know, right? But Mr. Jeff is going to retry it. And then when everything is sane and he does everything just like this, it should be flawless. It should be very flawless, right? Did I answer your question, Mr. Moses?
Yes, you did. Thank you so much.
Fantastic, fantastic. All right, guys, so I'm going to end it here. So guys, do your projects. You can see how important these projects are. And guys, listen, watch the videos, watch all the videos. You have SQL notes as well. There are SQL notes, SQL notes that are there as well. Watch them for SQL. There's no note for Linux, no, but there's for SQL for the admin part. Read those things, right? You took time to create those things, so read them. And they're handy, so you can see examples when you start doing your SQL. You have examples, so you don't call me all the time. You have examples of what you're doing. Like I saw yesterday, Miss Micheline, she was struggling with LPAD and RPAD. There's SQL notebooks there. Just go there and look at it. They have so many examples, or watch the videos. You can watch the long form video. You can watch the short form video. If you still don't have the answer, there's the notebook there. If you don't have an answer, text me. It's there. But at least go through the first 3 first before you say, okay, I want to start calling me. No. Right? Pay the price. Pay the price. When I was coming up, I flew to Tennessee just to have one question answered. I flew for 1 weekend. I flew to Tennessee myself. There was just one thing I didn't know how to do. I flew there for the whole weekend. The guy showed me. It was me and him for the whole weekend. Just one question. How do I do this? So all this one is say, oh, I can't go to the video for 3 hours. Are you kidding me? I flew. I spent my own money just on one question. Are you kidding me? Right? Imagine something like this, Mr. Jeff, happened. Oh, I can't fix this. Yeah, I'm trying to fix it. I said, oh, you know what? I'm going to fly to Tennessee. Show me how to do it. Yeah, that was the level of commitment that I had, right? And we were there the whole weekend. He showed me how to do it from scratch. Though that one was rack and it was a little bit more complicated, but still, it showed you that, hey, I needed to know how to do this. So that's
so when it comes to our real application cluster, do we run into this stuff too?
Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Rack is an advanced class, right? Is an advanced class. So it's for those who want to take the advanced class, you know. But you know, this one, you just focus on this first. But if you want to take the advanced class after, you can. You understand? Right?
Right.
Any questions, guys? All right. If there are no questions, right? If there are no questions, then I will see you guys here next Thursday. Okay?
Oh, yeah.
All right.
Night.
Miss
Bye.
Monica, you know what to do, right?
Yeah, I know what to do. I'm good. Thank you.
Fantastic.
Thank you. Have a good
Mr.
night.
Moses, very good. Mr. Jeff,
Yeah.
make sure you communicate with me tomorrow, okay?
All right, definitely.
Okay, guys. Have a good night.
All right,
All
thank
right.
you.
Have a good night. Thank you.
Okay, guys. All right.